Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Our Sales Master Training section will help you to achieve greater results in your career. Let us learn some important sales tips. Sales discovery is all about learning more about your prospect. And yeah, it's pretty vital. During discovery, you'll learn more about this person and this company, which will arm you with more information you can use to close the deal. But here is the thing, sales discovery can be tiring for the prospect. Don't bore them with a laundry list of uninspired questions. Don't make them feel interrogated. Just get in, find out what you can, make some small talk, and get out. Take a look at this list of the best sales discovery questions you should be asking, along with a 6-step sales discovery formula to follow. Hope you will practice this. Let us talk about new sales tips in the next video. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel.